Sometimes you want your Excel spreadsheet to be a bit more dynamic. Some ifs, they're great for finding the total value with a certain condition. But if you want to find out different things, then you've got to update that formula. Wouldn't it be great if there was something that showed you the total value of what was ever on your screen after you'd used some filters? That's where subtotal comes in. What I'm getting at is, say I wanted to find out what the total net value of Carrots Limited invoices was. I could use this find out using filters. Filter for Carrots Limited, and I can see that the sum is 220. If I use sum, this would show me the total value at 926 of all the invoices, but when I go to filter, this doesn't change. It remains at 926. What I want is to be able to dynamically update this figure with whatever is on screen after I filter it. To do this, type in equals subtotal, and then you have to specify the other function that you want to use in the subtotal. You can actually choose lots of different ones here, but I'm going to recommend we just start with sum, which is number 9, and we move on by using a comma. We then specify the range that we want to sum, which is this net value column, and close it with a closing bracket. So that shows us that the total net value is 926, but that doesn't show us the total net value of Carrots Limited. What we need to do is click into customer name on the filter, specify Carrots Limited. There we go. Our sum has now updated to show us just the net value of invoices from Carrots Limited.